Sometimes the most complex things in the world can be explained in the simplest ways. So today, forget about those dense biology textbooks. We're going to unravel one of the body's most amazing systems with a charming little Italian nursery rhyme. It's a story of three friends, Idro, Onco, and Lymphi. Okay, so picture this. Right now, this very second, a story is unfolding inside your own body. It's a tale of teamwork, of balance, and a few unsung heroes who are working nonstop. So let's get to know them, shall we? Our story kicks off in a really busy place, your body. The nursery rhyme calls it un gran via vai, which basically means a great bustle. Think of it like a huge, chaotic, bustling city, with tiny drops of fluid just constantly on the move, zipping back and forth, keeping everything flowing. Now, in this busy city, the main drama is between two characters who have, let's say, very different jobs. Meet Idro and Onco. It's their friendly rivalry, this constant push and pull, that's really the engine that drives this whole operation. So here's the deal with these two. Idro is always pushing fluid out of your vessels, basically shouting, "Come here!" And then you've got Onco, who's gently trying to pull all that fluid back in, kind of whispering, "Stay with me." It's this perfect tension between them that keeps everything in check. So let's get to know them a bit better. First up, we've got Idro the droplet. He's like that one super energetic friend who's always making a splash, maybe a little too much sometimes. Now, the fancy science term for this is hydrostatic pressure. It's the force pushing water and all the good stuff out of your capillaries. He's absolutely essential for delivery, but yeah, he can be a little messy.
And to balance out all that wild energy from Idro, you've got Onco, the protein. He's the force that scientists call oncotic pressure. The poem says he's calm and steady, giving this gentle hug that pulls water back into the vessels. His whole job is to make sure not too much spills out.
So you have this beautiful dance going on, right? This constant push and pull. But what happens when someone misses a step? Well, the nursery rhyme has a fantastic way of saying it. The water takes a leap. And this, right here, is the main problem in our story. See, Idro is a great pusher, and Onco's a great puller, but they're not always perfectly in sync. What if Idro pushes just a little too hard one day, or maybe Onco's pull isn't quite as strong? Well, in those moments, some water gets left behind. And this escaped water, it ends up getting kind of lost between the cells, out in your tissues. If it just stays there, it starts to cause problems. It's like a traffic jam in our perfectly organized city. And when there's a problem, well, you need a hero. And this is where our story's true hero makes her grand entrance. When that water gets lost, a third friend shows up. Say hello to Lymphi. She is the lymphatic system. She's not here for the push and pull drama. Nope, she's the problem solver. And Lymphi's got a super clear 3-step mission. First, she goes around and collects all that lost fluid. Second, she cleans it all up, and I love this part. The poem says she uses a little brush to filter out all the gunk. And finally, she returns the nice, clean fluid right back to where it's supposed to be. Mission accomplished. And she even has her own motto, which pretty much says it all. I clean, I return, I maintain order so the body is happy and has no disorder. I mean, come on, that's the perfect summary of the lymphatic system, right? The ultimate guardian of balance. So as we start to wrap up our little story, the moral here is crystal clear. It isn't just about one hero saving the day. It's about the amazing rhythmic teamwork of all three of these friends. It's all about balance. So let's do a quick roll call of the team. You've got Idro, the pusher, you've got Onco, the puller, and then you have Lymphi, the absolute MVP, the cleanup crew who takes care of all the leftovers. Every single one of them has a job that is absolutely vital. And the coolest part is that this simple story of three friends, it's not just a cute rhyme. It's a real fundamental process happening inside you this very moment. This constant rhythm of pushing, pulling, and cleaning, that's what's keeping you healthy and keeping everything in perfect harmony. So, the story of Idro, Onco, and Lymphi leaves us with one last thing to think about. It's just a beautiful reminder that our bodies are packed with these incredible, complicated systems all working tirelessly behind the scenes. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? How many other hidden heroes are in there, taking care of us every single moment of every single day?